So just let it stop. I'm not tightening it down. Let's see how this fits in here. Unless you want to take off the saran wrap yet, because it's I don't want to necessarily scratch it. So yeah, so that's more or less about right, as I can tell. The plexiglass will kind of flex in and out a little bit because the holes are not perfectly lined up. Pretty close, you know, within a few millimeters. So I have to kind of flex that plexiglass a little bit, which is fine. I think I'll tighten these ones down then. At least these upper ones here. I will tighten the bottom ones after I have the plexiglass on. This one on the readout instrument. They don't. I can't reach them basically. Not enough. Maybe kind of specialty tool or something. Might be able to reach it, but I don't know. It's a very tight space. Don't want to be struggling with that. That's just silly. Okay, that's tight. Not tight enough. So these ones are a little bit different here. This one's actually a bigger head. These ones are 4mm heads, I think. 4mm heads, which is these ones over here being 3mm. Let's see, is that 4? Yeah, that's 4. Because I use my socket wrench. And the important thing with those ones are these little plastic, or maybe the rubber. Let's see, plastic or rubber? Yeah, they're kind of a plasticized rubber, I guess you could say. So there's 8 of them. There's 4 holes. That means there's 1 on each side of the plexiglass, basically. That's why there's 8. Because they don't want the plexiglass to scratch. And get those out. Maybe I should Loctite these ones as well. Might as well. One drop is fine. A little bit is fine on each one of them. Rubber washer on one side. Do that to all of them, very easy. Should have put on the Loctite afterwards. After I put it on these things, most of the Loctite got kind of rubbed off or smeared off. Like so, right? That way the Again, that way the windshield itself doesn't get all scratched up. Shimmy these out on all four of them. Actually helps hold the bolt in place too. Then I can put the Loctite on afterwards. Okay, so I got all four of them on there. Freaking fingers are all smudging the inside here. Jeez. Okay, now I can put the Loctite on just a little bit. Okay. In, 2 or 3 turns to get it started and enough to hold it in place so that way it doesn't get all goofy on you. On the other side, this is why I have to kind of stretch the plexiglass a little bit. So once the basically kind of have to Loctite, it kind of has to he wants to bow. You kind of have to like unbow it just to get the hose to line up. The clicking you hear is the plexiglass because it's under a little bit of tension there where the threads of the bolts are. That's what you were hearing. So the plexiglass itself, where the bolt holes are, it had a little bit of a countersink to it. So the little rubber washer, they kind of sit kind of, I wouldn't say flush in there, but it's in there. So yeah, actually you do need to Loctite on these ones because you really can't cinch them down all the way. So I'm just cinching it like this with my fingers out of that. So it's not that much strain on them. So the Loctite will hold them in place. Maybe I should have put more Loctite. Just my thumb and my middle finger. And this is a big socket wrench. You don't want to be holding at the end of the socket wrench. Yeah, totally mess something up. All right, so that's on there. We'll tighten those last bolts on the bottom at 3 millimeters. Hopefully my Loctite on there hasn't completely cured yet. That's how it is. Loctite doesn't dry; it cures. That's the difference. It dries, but you just leave it out and open it, it'll dry. But when it's in the metal itself, metal against metal, what happens is that with there's actually a chemical reaction that happens, and the Loctite will actually cure and not dry. Okay, so there it goes. Alright, let's see how it looks. So, how it looks. Like so. It's a little bit more upright than I would like. Well, I might have had enough space down here, but that would have been enough tight tight fit. Let's look at it this way. It's pretty flush with the front of the headlight here. So there it goes. I think it could have been maybe a slightly bigger, just a little bit, like a little bit. I don't know, maybe an inch or so more. It could have been all right, but that's fine. This doesn't look like much. It's puny. It doesn't look like much. You know, it's like my hand spread out here, but it will, for the most part, block wind off. You know, take the wind off my chest, especially going below, say, for sure below 50. Probably even below 60, this would take the wind off my chest, because I've had other bikes with tiny little windshields like this before. Like my XSR was the same way, and it was surprisingly, it took the wind off my chest. You know, at below 60. Once you start to go above 60, that's when the wind's blowing faster this way, and it will, instead of shooting over and hitting me in the helmet, because you're going faster, it will actually come down a little bit and go further down into my chest, like halfway down my chest. But anyways, so that's what it looks like there, like so. On the front side here, looks like so. So it's just big enough. It's literally just big enough. That's too funny. So yeah, so this would definitely get more wind into my helmet. So it'll probably be slightly noisier, because instead of all the wind at my torso, that wind is concentrated more up in my helmet, so it might be a little bit noisier at my helmet, but it shouldn't be that bad. It's not like a bigger windshield, the really big windshields, because they're bigger. More of that air that should have went straight through and hit your body gets focused on your helmet, and it gets noisy that way, or gets more noisy, and it causes buffeting. But this thing is so small that I don't think it would do that much. It would be enough just to take some of that cold chill off my chest on, you know, like cooler evenings or early in the morning when it's cooler during the summertime. It will help. So that's it. That's the install videos. So this is probably going to end up being 2 or 3 videos, I think, because of that FAT32 format. Alright, thanks for watching.